Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting leaks to dive into from Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. Legendary leaker Avon Blass has spilled the beans on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, revealing some intriguing details about their design and features. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the leaked marketing images. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are set to feature armor aluminum frames, a move aimed at enhancing durability without compromising on weight. Interestingly, instead of titanium, Samsung opted for this sturdy yet lightweight material. One of the highlights of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its display. According to the leaks, Samsung is continuing its use of cutting-edge technology with possibly improved durability thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the cover screen. This promises enhanced scratch and drop resistance, crucial for a foldable device. Now, let's talk performance. The leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is gearing up with a robust battery setup, ensuring extended usage without compromising on the sleek form factor. For the Galaxy Z Fold 6, performance enhancements are expected to deliver a smoother multitasking experience, making it a powerhouse for productivity on the go. Diving deeper into durability, both phones are expected to raise the bar. With armor aluminum frames and advanced glass protection, Samsung seems focused on delivering foldable devices that can handle everyday wear and tear with ease. This move could address concerns about the longevity of foldable screens. So, there you have it. The latest leaks on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are shaping up to be quite promising. From improved durability to enhanced performance, these foldables are set to make waves. What are your thoughts on these leaks? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other content on upcoming tech releases. Subscribe to stay updated with the latest in the world of smartphones and gadgets. Until next time, take care.